Right now, sitting in your couch cushions, car cup holder, or change jar could be a single penny worth more than a brand new house. Most people are blindly handing over these 7 specific Lincoln pennies for face value, completely unaware that collectors are paying up to $120,000 to get their hands on them. In this video, I'm showing you the exact dates and secrets to look for right now before you accidentally spend a life-changing fortune. Imagine holding a simple piece of copper-plated zinc in the palm of your hand, completely unaware that it could be worth life-changing money. That is precisely what is happening across America right now with the 1998 Lincoln penny without a mint mark. Back in 1998, as the country stood on the edge of a new digital millennium with the rise of the modern internet and rapid economic growth, the Philadelphia Mint was churning out billions of these small cents to keep everyday commerce moving smoothly. Because no mint mark appears below the date on coins struck in Philadelphia, millions of people instantly mistake this piece for plain, ordinary pocket change. But in the world of numismatics, survival rarity and extraordinary surface preservation change everything. Measuring 19.05 millimeters in diameter, 1.52 millimeters thick, and weighing exactly 2.5 grams, this copper-plated zinc coin with its smooth, plain edge looks like every other cent sitting in your jar. On the obverse, you see the iconic profile of Abraham Lincoln framed by the timeless inscriptions "In God We Trust," "Liberty," and the year 1998. Flip it over to the reverse, and Frank Gasparo's detailed Lincoln Memorial architectural layout stands proudly, surrounded by United States of America, e pluribus unum, and 1 cent. While most of these coins circulated heavily through cash registers, demand remains strong among collectors hunting for top-grade pieces. Certain specimens have achieved remarkable auction activity, pushing market values for pristine examples up to an astonishing $75,000. When experts evaluate these coins, what collectors look for first is razor-sharp detail in Lincoln's hair and pristine strike quality on the reverse columns. If you find one, do not spend this coin and never clean it, because altering original surfaces destroys value. Professional grading may be worthwhile if the condition is exceptional. Yet as impressive as this 1998 cent is, our second coin carries a story that will make your jaw drop even further. Right before the world held its breath for the turn of the millennium, a small fortune was quietly slipping into the pockets of everyday Americans. The year was 1999, a frantic period in American history marked by the looming Y2K scare, massive technological surges, and an economy running hotter than ever before. To keep up with the overwhelming pace of commerce, the Philadelphia Mint produced billions of these copper-plated zinc Lincoln pennies. Because they feature no mint mark beneath the date, they look completely standard, and many people unknowingly spend coins like this every single day at the grocery store or the gas station. But hiding in that massive production run are pieces that hold astonishing value, even in a fine circulated condition. Weighing exactly 2.5 grams, with a standard diameter of 19.05 millimeters, a thickness of 1.52 millimeters, and a perfectly smooth plain edge, this cent feels entirely ordinary in your hand. On the obverse, Victor David Brenner's classic profile of Abraham Lincoln sits surrounded by the bold inscriptions "In God We Trust," "Liberty," and the final year of the decade, 1999. Turn it over, and Frank Gasparo's iconic Lincoln Memorial design commands the reverse, framed beautifully by United States of America, e pluribus unum, and 1 cent. When evaluating a fine-condition specimen, what collectors look for first is a clear, bold outline of Lincoln's portrait and distinct lettering, despite the obvious circulation wear. Because so many were heavily damaged or lost over the last few decades, survival rarity for highly sought-after examples makes them increasingly difficult to find. Collectors continue searching for examples like this, and certain specimens have sold for impressive prices, driving the current market value up to a staggering $70,000. Demand remains strong among collectors who know exactly what to look for. If you spot a 1999 penny without a mint mark in your spare change, do not spend this coin and never clean it under any circumstances. Original surfaces matter more than anything else, and trying to polish it will instantly destroy its immense value. Professional grading may be worthwhile to help lock in its true potential. As thrilling as finding a $70,000 penny from 1999 would be, the next coin on our list has a secret history that will make you look at your change jar in a completely different way. Next up, right now, someone in America is casually tossing what looks like a beaten-up 1992 Lincoln penny into a cup holder, completely unaware of the fortune they are holding. In 1992, as the nation navigated historical global shifts following the end of the Cold War, the Philadelphia Mint produced billions of these copper-plated zinc cents to support a booming economy. Because coins struck at Philadelphia feature no mint mark below the date, many people unknowingly spend coins like this every single day without giving them a second thought. But even in a very fine circulated condition, collector demand for specific preservation levels is off the charts. Measuring 19.05 millimeters across, 1.52 millimeters in thickness, with a weight of 2.5 grams and a smooth, plain edge, it feels exactly like any pocket change. On the obverse, Victor David Brenner's classic portrait of Abraham Lincoln commands attention, accompanied by the bold inscriptions "In God We Trust," "Liberty," and the date 1992. Turning to the reverse, you find Frank Gasparo's detailed Lincoln Memorial framed by United States of America, E Pluribus Unum, and O.N.E. Cent. What collectors look for first on a very fine example is clear. Distinct lettering despite slight wear on Lincoln's cheekbone and the memorial steps. Because survival rarity drops quickly when coins are worn or damaged, finding one with bold features is remarkable. Recent auction activity proves that passion for these pieces runs deep, driving current market values up to an astounding $85,000 for top examples. If you happen to spot a 1992 penny in your change, do not spend this coin. Never clean it under any circumstances, because preserving original surfaces matters more than making it shiny, and professional grading may be worthwhile to lock in its true value. If you think an $85,000 penny is mind-blowing, wait until you see the staggering secret behind coin number 4. Next up, there is a very real possibility that you have tossed a life-changing treasure into a tip jar without giving it a second thought. Back in 1984, as America celebrated the Summer Olympics in Los Angeles and experienced an explosive technological expansion, the Philadelphia Mint produced billions of Lincoln pennies to fuel the fast-paced economy. Since coins minted in Philadelphia bear no mint mark below the date, many people unknowingly spend coins like this every day, assuming they are entirely ordinary. But even in a fine condition with moderate wear, survival rarity and intense collector demand make this piece increasingly difficult to find. Weighing precisely 2.5 grams, with a 19.05 millimeter diameter, a 1.52 millimeter thickness, and a plain, smooth edge, this copper-plated zinc composition feels completely indistinguishable from standard pocket change. The obverse features Victor David Brenner's iconic bust of Abraham Lincoln, surrounded by the crisp inscriptions "In God We Trust," "Liberty," and the date 1984. Flip it over to the reverse, and you will see Frank Gasparo's famous Lincoln Memorial illustration, boldly flanked by United States of America, E Pluribus Unum, and 1 cent. What collectors look for first on a fine-grade coin is even wear across Lincoln's ear and bow tie, alongside clear, Legible lettering. Demand remains strong among collectors, and intense auction activity has seen top examples reach a staggering market value of $115,000. If you happen to come across a 1984 penny in your spare change, do not spend this coin and never clean it, as original surfaces matter above all else and scrubbing destroys value. Professional grading may be worthwhile if you spot one. As incredible as this 1984 cent is, the fifth coin on our list holds a historical mystery that will completely blow your mind. Next up, it is easy to overlook a piece of metal sitting in your cup holder, but a single 1995 Lincoln penny could hold the key to an unexpected windfall. Cast your mind back to 1995, a transformative year in American history defined by technological milestones like the launch of eBay and widespread economic expansion. To supply endless cash registers across the nation, the Denver Mint went into overdrive, striking millions of cents bearing a small D mint mark under the date. Because these coins entered heavy circulation, many people unknowingly spend coins like this every day, assuming they are just basic loose change. Yet even in a fine condition, survival rarity makes extraordinary specimens increasingly difficult to find, and demand remains strong among collectors who search tirelessly for them. Made of a copper-plated zinc composition, this coin weighs 2.5 grams, with a standard diameter of 19.05 millimeters, a thickness of 1.52 millimeters, and a smooth, plain edge. On the obverse, Victor David Brenner's historic portrait of Abraham Lincoln is accompanied by the classic inscriptions "In God We Trust," "Liberty," the year 1995, and that distinct D mint mark. Turning to the reverse, Frank Gasparo's majestic Lincoln Memorial design is framed by United States of America, E pluribus unum, and 1 cent. What collectors look for first on a fine-grade coin is a sharp, bold portrait outline despite moderate surface wear. Recent auction activity shows that prized examples have achieved shocking market values up to $75,000. If you stumble across one of these Denver cents, do not spend this coin and never clean it under any circumstances. Original surfaces matter immensely to purists, and professional grading may be worthwhile to certify its condition. While a $75,000 penny from Denver is enough to make anyone double-check their pocket change, coin number 6 features an even wilder twist that you won't want to miss. Next up, most people dumping their change into a jar never stop to realize they might be staring directly at a fortune. The year 1982 was a massive turning point in American history and numismatics alike, marked by intense inflation, economic shifting, and a historic metal transition at the United States Mint. To combat skyrocketing copper costs, the Philadelphia Mint produced billions of Lincoln pennies that year while transitioning compositions, resulting in pieces that circulate heavily without a mint mark below the date. Because billions entered commerce, many people unknowingly spend coins like this every single day, assuming they are entirely common. However, finding one in fine condition with true survival rarity is becoming increasingly difficult, driving collector demand through the roof. This coin measures 19.05 millimeters in diameter, 1.52 millimeters in thickness, with a smooth, plain edge and a weight that reflects its transitional era. On the obverse, Abraham Lincoln's timeless profile stands framed by "In God We Trust," "Liberty," and the date 1982. Flip it over, and Frank Gasparo's iconic Lincoln Memorial reverse design is surrounded by United States of America, E pluribus unum, and 1 cent. What collectors look for first on a fine-grade specimen is the overall crispness of the lettering and clear separation in Lincoln's hair despite light wear. Driven by fierce passion among specialists, recent auction activity for top-tier specimens has pushed the market value up to a jaw-dropping $120,000. If you stumble upon a 1982 cent in your change, do not spend this coin and never clean it under any circumstances, because original surfaces matter immensely and scrubbing instantly ruins collectible appeal. Professional grading may be worthwhile to lock in its true potential. An unbelievable $120,000 cent is hard to top, but our seventh and final coin is the ultimate grail that every serious collector dreams of uncovering. Next up, you might be holding the absolute crown jewel of modern pocket change without ever realizing it. Cast your mind back to 1983, a pivotal era in American history marked by economic recovery, the emergence of personal computing, and space shuttle milestones. Fresh off the previous year's metal transition, the Philadelphia Mint was churning out billions of copper-plated zinc cents to meet heavy consumer demand across the country. Because coins struck in Philadelphia bear no mint mark beneath the date, many people unknowingly spend coins like this every day, assuming they are entirely ordinary. Yet even in fine condition with light wear, true survival rarity makes finding a well-preserved piece increasingly difficult to find. Weighing 2.5 grams with a standard 19.05 millimeter diameter, a 1.52 millimeter thickness, and a plain, smooth edge, this coin blends in seamlessly with everyday pocket change. On the obverse, Victor David Brenner's historic portrait of Abraham Lincoln is accompanied by "In God We Trust," "Liberty," and the date 1983. Flip the coin over to reveal Frank Gasparo's majestic Lincoln Memorial layout, framed by United States of America, E Pluribus Unum, and 1 cent. What collectors look for first on a fine-grade specimen is strong, legible lettering paired with clear detail remaining on the memorial columns. Demand remains strong among collectors who search endlessly for top-tier examples, and intense auction activity has seen values reach a mind-blowing $120,000 market value for premier pieces. If you happen to discover a 1983 penny in an old jar or change dish, do not spend this coin and never clean it under any circumstances, because original surfaces matter above all else, and cleaning destroys historical integrity. Professional grading may be worthwhile to safeguard its massive potential. Now that you know what to look for, it is time to check your pocket change, coin jars, and old couch cushions right away. You could be sitting on a life-changing sum of money without ever realizing it. Which of these 7 Lincoln pennies do you think is hiding in your house right now? Drop a comment down below and let me know what dates you find. If you love discovering the hidden treasures in everyday pocket change, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give this video a like so you never miss out on another rare coin secret. Thanks for watching and happy hunting!